How to archive order on Amazon. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can archive any order types that you have in your Amazon application or via the web version. But first, just head straight into Amazon.com's official website and take note that you won't be able to archive any orders that you have unless you logged in into your account. Make sure that you're already fully logged in into your Amazon account. Now for you to head straight into the orders that you have, just head straight into this option here that says returns and orders. This is where you can actually show up all the successful purchases that you have on Amazon. Now just click on orders and then you can also customize whether it's for the past 3 months and so on and so forth. Now click on the current order where you would like it to be archived, and then at the lower left portion of that order you should be able to see archive order option. And that's pretty much it. It's how you archive order on Amazon.